Hey y'all, check this out. Gatorade Choose Cool Blue in this box. This is the 15 pack. I just got this. I'm here to unbox this. Look at that. Let's unbox it with a knife. There we go. Let's see what we got. Ooh, look at this. $15 pack. What is it? No, 16 pack. I thought it was 15. Let's see if we can get it out. There it is. Prime Energy Cool Blue 16 pack. Paid $15 for this from Amazon.com. Oops. Let's open it. Look at that. 15. That's not bad. Ooh. It slides out of this. We eat them. Look at that, y'all. So that's it. It came in this box. I have something to eat during the day and energize and stuff.